very, very beautiful estate here.
What is up guys, Julien here of Social Vignerons. Welcome back to another wine video and welcome to my wine school here on YouTube where I share the passion and knowledge of wine. I am a French winemaker but also a wine writer and founder of one of the most popular wine blogs in the world that is called socialvignerons.com. And today we are going to be looking at how to pronounce the name of the most famous red wine type, how to pronounce it correctly and how not to pronounce it, the name of the French grape Cabernet Sauvignon. Let's go! The most famous red wine type, Cabernet Sauvignon. Again, a silent T here at the end of Cabernet. Do not say Cabernet. The true French way would be Cabernet, but in English you normally say Cabernet. For Sauvignon, the letters A and U together in French form the sound O. So you say Sauvignon rather than Savignon. Some people say Savignon, that's not entirely correct. So how not to pronounce Cabernet Sauvignon? That would be Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon? No, rather Cabernet Sauvignon. And that was it guys, pretty easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking at learning more about wine pronunciation, check out my top 40 wine words video where I detail 40 different very famous names of wines that you should absolutely know how to pronounce. This video will show up right at the end of this very video. And if more generally you like learning about your vino and what makes your vino special, what makes a good wine or not in different regions, different grapes, have a look around my YouTube channel where I am sharing bit by bit everything that I know about wine. Make sure to dislike this video if you did, or like it to support my work if you enjoyed the learning and the sharing experience here. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers! Santé! Salut!